Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Impact. So in this video today I'm going to show you guys how to apply for YouTube monetization. This is how to join a YouTube partnership program, which is the YPP. So when you join this YouTube partnership program, you'll be able to earn money from your YouTube, from your content, the content you're posting. You'll be able to be earning money from them, and also other features which I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all, now I'm going to open the YouTube channel that I'm going to be using for this video. This YouTube channel has reached the milestone, which is the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hour. So I want to congratulate you for reaching those milestones. You are a step close in monetizing and making money from your YouTube channel. So now I'm going to head into my channel and show you guys the few things your channel must acquire before you can apply for this, so your acceptance can be faster. First of all, you want to make sure you have your 1,000 subscribers ready. And the next thing, you're going to make sure that you've been in the YouTube partner in the YouTube app for about over a month, over 30 days. As you can see here, this is more than 30 days. And the next thing we're going to be looking at now is our banner. You must make sure you have a banner and a profile picture. This will only speed up your acceptance into the YouTube partnership program. And also you must have your YouTube handle. So now you have checked all this and you have wired it. Let's go in and start applying for this. So what you're going to do now, you're going to head into your YouTube studio, which you already know. So let this load up. And from here now, you can see the 1,000 subscribers there. I have 1.1. And now I'm going to head into, and but in some cases it can be monetization. But for this, it is N right here. So I'm going to click on that N. So here now you can see channel monetization apply to the YouTube partnership program, and all you have to do now is to click apply. But first of all, I'm going to show you the things you get and the things you have to do before you can be able to earn this. So the first one here now is how to join. You can see you have to reach the required to apply the 1,000 subscribers, you can see, and the 4,000 watch hour, which already have 10,000. And you must have the two-step verification turned on, and you must make sure that your YouTube channel has been following the YouTube community guideline. About this now, if I scroll down here, you can see here it says past channel review. This is where you're going to make sure that you meet the YouTube requirement. As you can see here, it says after you submit your application, you will check if your channel follows YouTube channel monetization policy. So you want to make sure you check the YouTube channel monetization policy to go through it before you can apply for the YouTube partnership program. So let me show you the features you're going to get once you apply, once you've joined the YouTube partnership program. So these are the many ways to earn when you are in the YouTube partnership program. You can see here the first one in this phase is the watch page ad. You can see right here. So the second one is membership, and the other ones you can see there is from the short, and you can earn from short as well, and super thanks, and also shopping. And other features that could be unlocked as well once you join this YouTube partnership program is that you'll be able to chat or email support, and you're able to have your copyright claim tools, and you can also start giving fundraisers, that's raising funds for people, or depending on the country that you are in. So now that you've checked all this, now the next thing you want to click is apply. Now that you've confirmed that you have all these features, you can see right there everything is set. All you have to do now is you click on the apply. So once you click on the apply, now the first step is that you'll be asked to review basic terms. So right here now, once you it says read these terms carefully as they may apply to your application in the YouTube partnership program. So you just want to scroll, or you can read it if you want to, but whichever way, you still have to accept before you can join the YouTube monetization. So you want to click on accept the basic terms, and you want to click on accept terms. So the step one now will be verified, and you can see it will be on green. So let's just wait for this to load up. And you can see now the step one says done. You can see right there is done. So now we're going to head into step two. So here now the step two says sign up for Google AdSense. Okay, for this video I already have a Google AdSense, so I'm not going to be creating a new one. But in case you don't know how to create a Google AdSense, you can check out this video right here or click on the description to go and know to check on how you can create your Google AdSense. So for me now, I already have one. So I'm just going to click, you will be redirected to Google AdSense to complete the steps. So I'm going to click on select and I'm going to click on yes, I already have a Google AdSense. So in case you don't, you want to click on no, I don't have a Google AdSense. It will just directly take you to a place where you're going to do that. So you will be told now that you've selected, you already have an account. What you do, you only be allowed one AdSense per person. So you want to click on continue. So now this is the account this is my Google AdSense account, the account that I used in creating my Google AdSense account. So I'm just going to select that, and my AdSense account has opened up, and I'll have to scroll down, and I'm going to click on accept association. So I'm going to click on that. And now you can see here it said redirecting you to YouTube because you have already successfully linked our AdSense to the YouTube channel. You have successfully do that. So once you click on that, it will take you back to your YouTube channel so you can continue with the steps, which is going to load up. So you can see now this second step will be verified soon. You can see right now you have successfully linked an AdSense account. So you scroll down now, the third one is the process. Just review. So this is left for YouTube to do. Once you make sure, once your channel is up to date, there is nothing to be worried about. Once you meet the YouTube policies, there is nothing to be worried about. So YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization policy. It will email you a decision usually within a month. These steps will begin automatically after you complete the first steps. So guys, that's basically what it takes, and your channel is into review now and will be accepted into the monetization um, program if you have made this requirement, which you must have checked in the first before you start before you apply for the YouTube monetization program. So this is basically how to join. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn the bell notification to be notified.